The best steam oven is one of the most popular kitchen appliances on the market. Not only does it provide a healthy alternative to traditional cooking methods, but it also saves time and energy. Steam ovens cook with moist heat that seals in juices and flavors, as well as eliminates excess fat and calories from foods, making them a healthier choice for mealtime. Steam ovens are available in all shapes and sizes depending on your needs at home or office. Some have both a convection setting for baking crispy edges and an additional steaming tray for vegetables or fish. All of our picks come with amazing features like delayed start timer, digital controls, self-cleaning functions, and they're easy to use. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best steam oven. So let's get started. Number 5. Balmouda K01MGW Steam Oven Toaster. The Balmouda K01MGW Steam Oven Toaster uses steam technology, heat control, and 5 different modes to bring out the best in any kind of bread. Heating more rapidly than air, a thin layer of steam envelopes the bread, lightly toasting its surface while keeping all moisture trapped on the inside. With precise control over 3 temperature zones that can deliver an assortment of subtle flavors and textures, including crisp and savory on the surface with moist and fluffy inside. Find your favorite recipe for artisan bread mode or sandwich loaf mode. Use this product's variety of available modes to bake perfect pastries as well as deliciously crispy pizzas. With precision controls for 3 temperature zones, you can create any kind of food crisp on the outside and moist on the inside. Escape to perfection with our artisan bread mode, sandwich bread mode, pizza mode, and pastry modes, just to name a few. Unleash your creativity with this revolutionary appliance that will make cooking a cinch. Number 4. August Steam Oven with Convection and Grill. With this August Steam Oven with Convection and Grill, you'll get the whole package in one. You can set 8 functions to meet your cooking needs while also getting lower energy costs thanks to recirculation heating by steam, top, and bottom heater pipes, making tender foods all the more enjoyable after you're finished cooking them. Higher heat means that crispy texture on grilled food will be achieved every time without worrying about uneven temperature distribution as a result of convection fan help for an even flow of hot air. Infrared lights are also included to ensure that everything is cooked evenly from edge to edge so your dish comes out just right. The top convection heating system distributes the heat evenly, while bottom steam pipes keep food moist and tender on all levels of cooking. Number 3. Winter TSO488GB Convection Steam Oven. The Winter TSO488GB Convection Steam Oven is the perfect appliance for any professional chef, catering company, or home kitchen alike. With a larger capacity to fit a whole roast or turkey, you can cook for your whole family with one appliance. The adjustable temperature ranges from 85 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to provide the perfect cooking necessities for each dish, whether it's raw meat and fish to heat beverages such as coffee. You'll also appreciate the large water tank that allows steaming programs up to 24 hours long. With numerous functions, it can cook everything from yogurt and bread to steaming different kinds of food for that authentic flavor we strive for. For children who love baking on the kitchen counter without constant supervision, this would be very helpful as they will not be able to reach any features or controls due to the safety lock button on top of the unit. Number 2. The Blumline Steam Convection Oven Countertop. The Blumline Steam Countertop Oven is a modern kitchen must-have for any busy home cook without the room to store a traditional range oven. Easy cooking with more capacity than you'll know what to do with, this stainless steel beauty will revolutionize your day in the kitchen and become an indispensable part of your repertoire. Save time and space by getting all your needs covered in one product: steam, grilling, baking, roasting. There isn't anything it can't handle. This powerful home countertop appliance is the ultimate workhorse. With a preheat and defrost mode, you'll get cooking in half the time while circulating heat faster than traditional range ovens make weeknight meals quick and easy. Number 1. Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven. Cuisinart's Convection Steam Oven is the perfect kitchen appliance for small to medium families and cooks like an oven, steam cooker, air frying, food dehydrator, and microwave. With 120 minutes of continual steam flow or up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit on any cooking surface, you can be sure your meal will come out perfectly cooked through and through. The integrated bread proofing technology in the Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven bakes and proofs bread better than steam conventional ovens while eliminating any crust formations. This unit accommodates whole chickens or 12-inch pizza pies, with its 0.6 cubic ft space capabilities, so you can easily bake chicken wings, hot dogs, muffins, calzones all at once. That was our list of the top 5 best steam oven just for you.